Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to apply to CapCut Creator Program 2025 tutorial CapCut. For that, first of all, you need to come to your web browser, or you can just open your CapCut app from your uh, PC or tablet or any phone you are using. So you have to just search for CapCut.com from the browser. Here, as you can see, this is take me to the official dashboard of the CapCut website. So here we can see here the second option was template. So there's something we have to talk about first. So if you want to apply for uh, CapCut Creator Program, you need to have to be on USA or UK. So this is the CapCut Creator Program is available only for specific countries. So if you are from those countries, you can apply for it. So after coming on the template section, on here you can see a button that will say the CapCut Creator Program or apply for CapCut Creator Program. So if you click on that, you have to just follow the instructions afterwards, and you can see if you are eligible for the CapCut Creator Program, and if you are, then they will approve your creator application, and you will be a successful creator and make templates like this one. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.